Hello, dear students. Welcome back to the science class. Dear students, I hope you all are fine at your home and are studying well. In the previous video class, yes, we have started discussing about the new lesson, digestion and role of microbes. Yes, in the last class, just we have done the introduction part and what are the things we are going to study in this video class. Okay, so today in this video class, let us study about the teeth. Yes, where are the teeth are present, dear students? Teeth are present inside our mouth and they help in biting and chewing the food. Yes, dear students, whatever the food we eat, yes, with the help of the teeth, we will bite and we will chew that food here. So, to chew and bite the food, the teeth are helpful here. So, what does the teeth will do here? They will help in biting and chewing the food here. Can you see here? Yes, this is the teeth here. Okay. Human beings have two sets of teeth, temporary and permanent teeth. See, dear students, human beings are having how many sets of teeth? They are having two sets of teeth. The first one is a temporary teeth and the second one is a permanent teeth. Okay, let us see about the temporary and the permanent teeth here. When a child is about 6 years old, milk teeth starts falling out one by one. Yes, dear students, when a child is about 6-year-old, yes, even you have faced this, yes, already. Okay, the child will starts, yes, he starts with falling here one by one. And next what happens? The new ones which are bigger in a size take their place. This set of new teeth is called a permanent teeth. Yes, have you faced this problem already? When you are at a 6-year-old, yes, when you was a 6-year-old, even your teeth has fallen and now you are getting a permanent teeth. Yes, sometimes the front teeth will fall, yes, sometimes the side teeth will fall down. Yes, again what happens? Yes, that teeth, which teeth has fallen, again in that place you all will get a new teeth. Nothing but that new teeth is a little big in size. And for that we are calling here as a permanent teeth we are calling. It is not a temporary. First when you will born, at that time you will not be having any teeth. Then how you will grow day by day, then the teeth will start growing. Then what happens? Those are the temporary teeth we call. Okay, when you reach at the age of 6, these temporary teeth will fall off and the new teeth will grow. Nothing but those teeth will be bigger in a size, and when these temporary teeth fall and the permanent teeth will come. Okay. Yes, how many sets of teeth we are having? We are having two sets of teeth. One is a temporary and one more is a permanent teeth. Okay, so sets of teeth here. Have you ever tried to count teeth in your mouth? Yes, dear students. Any one time at least did you try? At least how many teeth are there in your mouth? Yes, children of your age have about 20 teeth. Yes, dear students, children of your age, nothing but in your age you will be having 20 teeth in your mouth. And how many teeth do your parents have? Yes, how many teeth your parents are having? Yes, here is the answer. Adults have about 32 teeth. Yes, when you will grow, when you will become an adult, then even your teeth will grow, and the number of teeth when you adult, at the age of the adult, there will be 32. Now you are yes, in your children age, so you will be having how many teeth? You will be having 20 teeth. When you grow and when you become adults, then your number of teeth will be 32. Okay, nothing but in an adult human beings will be having how many teeth? 32 teeth. You must have seen toddlers who do not have teeth in their mouth at all. Teeth, unlike brain and heart, are not present in the body of the baby the day he or she is born. Actually, a child is born toothless. Nothing but, yes, as I have already told you, when you will born, yes, there will be no teeth at all. You will be toothless. Usually after 6 months babies starts to develop teeth here. See dear students, after 6 months then the baby will develop teeth here. Gradually within a year or a two babies develop their first set of teeth here. Between the 2 to or 1 year also. Okay, it may take 2 year or it may take 1 year also to develop all the teeth here. This set of 20 teeth is known as a milk teeth we will call. What are these? The first set which will come when from the baby at the age of the baby. For that we are calling a milk teeth. The number of teeth at that time is 20 here. Gradually as the child gets older these milk teeth starts falls off one by one and are replaced by second set of teeth. This second set of teeth is known as a permanent teeth. This milk teeth is a temporary teeth dear students. Remember, milk teeth is a temporary teeth these are, and the number of milk teeth will be how many? 20. As you grow day by day, how you gets older, then what happens? The milk teeth will get fall here. They will fall off. Then one by one, not once only, one by one they will fall. And what happens in that place? The second set of teeth will starts grow here. For that what we are calling here? We are calling a permanent teeth. There are 32 teeth in this set. Most kids lose all their milk teeth by the age of 12 to 13 years. See dear students, when you will reach the 12 to 13 years, your all the teeth will fall here and you will get a permanent teeth. Hence, milk teeth are also called a temporary teeth. Yes. What another name for milk teeth here? Milk teeth is also known as a temporary teeth. 4 teeth at the back of the mouth called a wisdom teeth may develop between the age of 17 to 25 years. Yes dear student, this wisdom teeth, ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹಲ್ಲು ಅಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಈ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹಲ್ಲು ಯಾವ ಏಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? 17 ಇಂದ 25 ಏಜ್ ಒಳ. Yes, within 25 years these wisdom teeth will come. ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹಲ್ಲು ಅಂತೀವಿ, wisdom teeth. ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಟೀತ್ ಯಾವಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ? ಬೇಬಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ 6 ತಿಂಗಳ ನಂತರ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಟೀತ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? 6 years, when you reach a 6 years old, when you become a 6 year old, 6 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಕೈತಿ? ಆ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಟೀತ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಬಿದ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ. ದೆನ್ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? permanent teeth will starts growing here. Okay, when the wisdom teeth will come dear students, at which age? At the age of 17 and 25 years the milk teeth, the wisdom teeth develops here. Babies have the beginnings of their first teeth even before they are born, but they become visible when child is 6 to 12 months old. The milk tooth falls off because it is pushed out by the permanent tooth that is behind it. See dear students, behind the milk teeth there is a permanent teeth will be there. So this permanent teeth, what they will do? They will push that one milk teeth. So the milk teeth will fall here and your permanent teeth will grow there. Yes, I hope you have understood about the milk teeth, permanent teeth and wisdom teeth. Okay, so there are types of teeth are there. The first one is incisors. Yes, dear students, these incisors are used for cutting and biting of food. What is the function of incisors? Incisors are used for cutting and biting a food here. Can you see here? Yes, the front teeth are the incisors. Okay, so let us see. Incisors will be like this. Incisors are the 4 teeth at the front of each jaw. How many teeth incisors are there? There are 4 incisors are there. And where they are present? They are present at the front side. Therefore, they are 8 incisors teeth in total. They help us to cut and bite a food. Dear students, we are having total 8 incisors in our mouth. These incisors will help us to bite and cut the food here. Okay, incisors are the 4 teeth at the front of each jaw. So front jaw, can you see these 4 teeth? We are calling it as incisors. Total 4 set is nothing but how many are there? 8 incisors are there total, and these are used for cutting and biting the food. You can see the picture of incisors here. The next one is the canines. Yes, these canines are sharp and used for tearing the food. Yes, dear students, whenever you are having a flesh, meat, at that time you need to tear that flesh here. So this tearing of the food is done by the teeth, that is a canine. Canine is present here. You can see the canines here. Front 4 teeth we are calling it as incisors, then the side of that one is a canine. Yes, in a human, canine will be present here. Then in a herbivores, these are the canines. In omnivores and in a carnivores, these are the canines. Can you see this sharp one? This is a canine. So this carnivore, what it will do? The carnivores are having canines here. Why they are having a canines? To tear the flesh of other animals. The teeth next to the incisors are canines. Yes, dear students, can you see? These are the incisors. The next to the incisor is a canine. As they are sharp and pointed, they are used for tearing the food like a meat. There are 4 canines in all. How many canines are there, dear students? Total number of canines? 4. Total number of incisors? 8. So, what is the function of this canine? It will help to tear the food like a meat here. And they are very sharp and pointed one. Canines are very sharp. Can you see here? It is a very sharp it is. Okay. And it is a pointed. The next teeth is a premolars. So, premolars will help to crush the food and chew it. Yes, whatever the food you eat, yes, you will chew and you will crush it. So for that crushing and chewing the food, we need premolars. Yes, dear students, can you see here? These are the premolars. The premolars will be in this look like this. The 2 teeth next to each canine are premolars. After the canines, the 2 teeth are premolars here. Okay, the 2 teeth next to each canine are premolars. They are flat and wide in a shape. How they are? They are flat and they are wide here. Can you see? These are sharp. Okay, these are sharp and these are wide. Sharp and these are wide here. What are these? Premolars. They help to crush the food. There are 8 premolars teeth. How many premolars are there? 8. 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars, and these premolars helps us to chew, to crush the food and chew the food here. This is about a premolar. Next one is the molars. Nothing but you can see the molars here. After a premolar, there is a molars. Okay, the 3 teeth at the back of the mouth next to the premolars are molars. Yes, dear students, first molar, second molar and third molar. These are the molars. Okay, can you see the last? Okay, at the last of the mouth, you are having 3 molars you are having. So, the 3 teeth at the back of the mouth, where are these? At the back of the mouth here. Molars are present at the back of the mouth. And they are next to the premolars. Yes, after premolars, you will be having a molars. They are broader in a shape. Yes, how they look here? They look broader in a shape. They help to grind the food here. Whatever the food you will chew, yes, the grinding is done by the molars here. Therefore, there are 12 molars in all. How many molars are there? There are 12 molars are there. How many incisors? 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars, and molars are 12 here. Remember, how many premolars are there? 8 premolars. Incisors are 8. The next one, canines are 4. Premolars are 8. Molars are 12. Yes, dear students, these are the types of a types of a teeth we have studied. Incisors, canines, premolar, molars. These are the 4 types of teeth that we have studied today in this class. I hope you have understood these types of teeth concept. In the next video class, again we will continue with this lesson. Till that, how much I have taught you, read from the textbook. Have a nice day. Thank you.